my name is Stefan and I'm the only team member on Firmament. Firmament is a reward system for companies who want to enable their employees to give rewards out to each other.
Okay, here's the updated list of project goals. Let's see if we have reached them. This is where you see how Firmament works. In the lower part, we can see the log files, activated now. In the upper part, there's one user who's not yet logged in on the web interface, and in the middle part is another user who's already logged in. You can see you already got a balance. But we'll start with the upper user. In the chat, we check the balance. It is 0 right now. So we need some RWD. We log in with Slack. You can see there's the confirmation screen coming from Slack, and we just confirm it. And there we are, 0 RWD. Luckily, there's a way to top up using Stripe. Enter an email address. This is just the credit card number for testing Stripe. Some more bogus data and submit. And now you can see the first transaction in the log. There it is. It says 0 RWD because that is an action with a set amount, 100 RWD. There we are. Slackbot informs us that we just bought 100 RWD. A reload, and there it is. And as you can see, we can now check the balance in the chat, and it's 100 RWD. We can now tip the other user. We'll send him 10 RWD and submit, and then you see the log again. And there it is, complete. He got a direct message from the Slack bot that says he got a tip of 10 RWD from Stefan LH, which is the first user. The first user's balance changed to 90 RWD. Let's reload the web interface to double check, and there you see it. And it also shows the transaction in the log. Okay, now we're going to take a look at the transaction in the OST KIT viewer. There we are. Let's search for the RWD token. And here it is. And there you can see it. 100 RWD sent from the company to the user. That was a company to user transaction. The tip was a user to user transaction. We'll send back 20 RWD to Stefan LH from the second user. We see the transaction in the log file. And it takes a while until it shows up in the viewer. But here you see the 10 RWD transaction from user 1 to user 2. Finally, let's take another look at the project goals. Well, all the tips in Firmament go through blockchain. That's done. All features are available in Slack right now. That's also true. And I'm working on other integrations. Tokens are available for purchase through the web interface. You've just seen how Stripe works to buy tokens. All users can get a transaction history, and the most important part for phase 3 was no transaction data in the database, which was still there in part 2. We already achieved this. The Ledger API allowed us to remove all database storage for local data. Thank you for watching, and please try Firmament as soon as you get the chance.